Compressed air duster, 7600 milliamp, 110,000 RPM with multiple attachments and cleaners for anything of electronics, keyboards. You have one airbrusher, one brush, 5 nozzles, a user's manual, USB-C charging cable, and a bag. We're going to open this bad boy up, show you what you get inside. The air duster comes with the user manual, so you go all over the parts, details, and the applications, how to use your product. In shipment, this unit comes with a protective cap that you simply take off, and then you go with the USB-C charging cable and charge it up for the first time. On the back of the unit will be a charging port. Located over here will be the charging indicator. You'll see a green light when turning on. You'll see a flashlight on the front when on. The unit has 3 operating speed, low, medium, and high. It's 40 plus minutes on one speed, 30 plus minutes on the second, and 20 plus minutes on the third, with the operating temperature of 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The back of the unit will rotate. If you ever need to clean the back if dust gets in, you have a brush to do that. You have brushes to clean your keyboard that's on the side over here. You have a hard brush, a wide brush, and a fine brush. You have a brush on the front that simply choose the one you want, push on, pick the speed, simply press. It is simple as that. If you need to pump up a raft, a small inflatable item, you choose the one that has the 2 holes on the side, put on, press the trigger, and blow away. To clean your electronics, keyboards, you name it. Get into those tight spaces and do some cleaning.